Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Snapchat on your PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video, shall we? Alright guys, open up any web browser. For this case I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then go to snapchat.com. And then once you're inside Snapchat here, you want to go ahead and click on login to chat. And then you need to add in your username and password when you get to this page, so you can enable notifications or not now. As you can see, I'm already logged into Snapchat, so I'm just going to log out. Right, once you click on to log into Snapchat, you'll come to this page here. So what you want to do is type in your email. There it is there. And then you want to click on to next. Then you want to add in your password. Once you've done that, click on to next, and this will log you in. You might get a notification on your phone to say allowing access to use Snapchat on your PC. So just check your phone if you don't log in. And there might be another pop-up here. And then once you've done that, you've logged into Snapchat, and you can go ahead and click the camera to send snaps, or go to any one of your contacts to start a chat message. And you got some ads on the right hand side here. So yeah, that's it guys, how to use Snapchat on your PC. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.